Yes, students. So yesterday we were solving exercise number 2.2. In that one, last question was find the reciprocal of the following. Different rational number was given to you, and that you have to make the reciprocal. So today, now the next question of exercise this is question number 5. Write each of the following as a rational number with negative exponents. What you have to do? Whatever the number is given to you, that write each of the following. इन सबको क्या करना है? इन सबको रैशनल नंबर बनाना है विद नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट. जो भी एक्सपोनेंट है, सो with negative exponent each number. Now question number A, 7/4. Now just look here, this exponent is positive, so इसको रेशनल नंबर में कन्वर्ट करके नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट के साथ विद द नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट. एंड एज यू नो ऑलरेडी, इफ यू बी इसका नेगेटिव बनाना है तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हैं, तो 1/7 टू दी पावर -4. किसी नंबर का हम रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हैं जिसमें एक्सपोनेंट है, तो उसका साइन चेंज हो जाता है. अगर ये पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. इसका रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो 7/4. सो दिस 7/4, इफ यू वांट टू मेक इट नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट, सो that will become 1/7 की पावर -4. Next, question number B. This is the solution of question number A. Now question number B. 4/9 to the power 6. नेगेटिव बनाना है तो इस नंबर का what we will do? We will do the reciprocal of this number. As you have done already, इसका reciprocal, that means numerator को denominator और denominator को numerator. So this will become 9/4 to the power -6. जो +6 है ये -6 होगा. This is very basic things as you have done. तो किसी भी जिस नंबर पे एक्सपोनेंट लगा है, इसके साइन को अगर पॉजिटिव है नेगेटिव करना है, या नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव करना है, तो जितना इसका बेस है इसका रेसिप्रोकल अगर हम कर देते हैं तो ये नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव और पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव. सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस एंड दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस. नाउ सी 2/3 to the power 3 to the whole power -2. So first you simplify, and after that whatever the number comes, that just see whether its exponent is coming positive or negative. So this will become 2/3 to the power 3, and this is whole power -2. Whole power -2. So power का पावर जैसे a की पावर m एंड दिस इसकी पावर n है, तो इसको हम इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, इट विल बिकम mn. सो 3 into -2, so this will become 2/3 to the power -6. सो ऑलरेडी इस रेशनल नंबर का 2.25 2/3 2/3 So this 2 by 3 to the power minus 6. Now this exponent is already negative. So this is the answer of this question C. Now D. D. This also. First you simplify and see whether its exponent is coming negative or positive. If it comes positive, then make it negative, and if it is already negative, then no need of doing anything. That is so. 3. First solve this one. 3 by 4 to the power 2 की whole power minus 3. So if we will solve this one, so this will become 3 by 4, 2 into minus 1. Either you start from this side or this side. So 3 by 4 to the power this 3 into minus 1, this side become minus 3. Now again 2 into minus 3, so this has become 3 by 4 की power 2 into 3 minus 6. So this is 3 by 4 to the power 3, 2, 3 is 6 minus 1, 3 by 4 to the power minus 6. So this question is also over. A, B, C, and this is the answer of D. Now see question number 6. Write each of the following as rational number with positive exponent. Write each of the following with positive exponent. एक 4 by 3 to the power minus 3, 4 by 3 to the power minus 3, B 1 by 5 1 by 5 to the power minus 2, and this is power 3. See 3 by 7 3 by 7 3 by 7 to the power minus 3, and this is again power, whole power minus 4, and d is the 8 to power minus 5, 8 to the power minus 5 into 8 to power 3 into 8 to power minus 4, 8 to power minus 4. So this is 8 to power minus 4. So solve one by one. Question number 8. As in the previous question, you were making the rational number with negative exponent. Here each are the following with positive exponent. इसको positive बनाना. So 4 by 3 to the power minus 3 is equal to 3 by 4 to the power 3. So this is the answer of A. Now B, question number B, 1 by 5 to the power minus 2, again to the power 3. So this will become 1 by 5 to the power minus 2 into 3. It is already minus 6. Now this is minus 6. So make the reciprocal of this one. So 5 upon 1 to the power 6, or you can write 5 to the power 6. So this has become positive exponent. So 6, 5 to the power 6. Next, question number C. Here C, 3 by 7 to the power minus 3, again to the power minus 4. So multiply this one. So this will become 3 by 7 to the power minus 3 into minus 4. This will become already positive. Positive exponent इनको बनाना था, and this is already decided from 3 by 7 to the power 12. Now question number D. 8 to the power minus 5. D, 8 to the power minus 5 into 8 to the power 3 into 8 to the power minus 4. Multiply it. So here just see, all the numbers are having same base, और same base पे किसी exponential number को अगर multiply करना है, so we add all the exponent. So this will become how much? 8 to the power minus 5 plus 3 minus 4. इन सबको ऐड करो. So minus 5 minus 4 minus 9. This will become 8 to the power minus 9 plus 3. So this will become 8 to the power minus 6. Now you have to make it positive. So it will become 1 by 8 to the power 6. So this will be the the answer. All answers in this one, just see, all has become positive exponent. So पॉजिटिव से हम नेगेटिव बना सकते हैं रेसिप्रोकल करके, और नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव वी कैन मेक. So this is question number 6. Now we will move question number 7. So question number 7 is next. Question number 7. Simplify. That is what? 3 by 2 square into 1 by 4 to the power minus 4 into 1 by 4 to the power minus 4 into 3 to the power minus 4 into 7 by 3 to the power minus 1. This you have to solve and simplify. So, start from here. So, this will 3 by 2 square, that means 3 square upon 2 square into 1 by 4 to the power minus 4. If you will take this up, so this exponent will become 4 to the power 4 into 3 to the power minus 4. First make the all exponent positive. Here 1 by 3 to the power 4 into 1 by this you make positive, so this will become 3 to the power 1. Clear? Now all has become positive. Then whatever the number is there, that you try to convert in this, you can again break it. So these are multiplied. So this you can write 3 square into 4 to the power 4. This you can write 2 square to the power 4 into 1 into 3 upon 2 to the 2 square into 3 to the power 4. Convert all the number into either 3 or 2 or 5, 7, this way. So again this will become how much? 3 square into 2 to the power 8 into 3 upon 2 square into 3 नाउ सी 3 square into 3, एक पावर ये, this equal add. So this will become how much? 3 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 8. Here 2 square into 3 to the power 4. हाँ जो अभी अभी तो आया ना, चेक चेक करें क्या, देखते हैं। हाँ registration for applying for new electricity connection is done. Your ID, तो हाँ ID है और पासवर्ड, पासवर्ड G star 3B 5A star और पासवर्ड ID पासवर्ड ID PCL 0394148. So here it will become 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 8 upon into हाँ आया है। हाँ तो क्या करें, किसको बता दें? हाँ तो नोट कीजिए, ये एक पासवर्ड है और दूसरा कौन सा है, यूजर आईडी। हाँ तो आईडी PCL। हाँ एक मिनट देखना पड़ेगा फिर तो उनको, नहीं लिखा नहीं होगा, नहीं तो हम बता दें, अभी बाद में बता देंगे, फिलहाल यही नोट कीजिए PCL 0394148, ये हो गया आईडी है। अब पासवर्ड में 9, उसके ऊपर एक हैश जैसा बना हुआ है, उसके ऊपर, हाँ बात नहीं, उसके थोड़ा ऊपर है, पता नहीं क्या बात है क्या। हाँ फिर उसके बाद 3B, हाँ स्टार जैसा, हाँ 3B ABB, B फॉर बॉय, हाँ कैपिटल 3B 5A कैपिटल है, उसके ऊपर भी स्टार बना हुआ है, ए के ऊपर। उसके बाद आर है, हाँ 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 आर फॉर राजस्थान, हाँ 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 ठीक है। G93. हेलो हेलो, अरे दिवाकर, जो पासवर्ड है ना, पासवर्ड जो पासवर्ड है, उसमें जो 9 स्टार बोल रहे हो हमको स्मॉल जी जैसा दिख रहा है, जी स्टार, हाँ, फिर 3B5A स्टार और आप स्मॉल आर। हाँ, पहले वाला जो 9 बोल रहे थे हमको लग रहा है 9, लेकिन हमको जी जैसा स्मॉल जी लग रहा है। हाँ हाँ, नहीं नहीं, कैपिटल है, 3B कैपिटल है, 5A कैपिटल है, और स्टार आर जो है वो भी स्मॉल है। जी और आर स्मॉल है, ठीक है। हाँ हाँ, ठीक है। So this will become 3 to the power 4. So take this 3 down and 2 up. So this will become 8 minus 2 upon 3, 4 minus 3. So this will become 2 to the power 6 and 3 to the power 4 minus 3, 1. So this 2 to the power 6 upon 3 to the power, simplify 7A, 7A 2 to the power 6 upon 7A. Again just check, 3 by 2 square into 1 by 4 to the power minus 4 into 3 to the power minus 4 into 7 by 3. Here just see the mistake, 7 by 3 to the power, that will become 3 by 7. So here 3 by 7. Now here 2, 3, 5, 3, 8. So into 3 to the power minus 4 and 3 by 7 to the power here. Again just cancel this question and start from no, because there are certain mistakes are there. So just cancel this one and again we are trying to solve it. Otherwise, see the question. 3 by 2 square 1 by 4 to the power minus 4. Here just see the question. So this will become 3 by 2 square, that means 3 square upon 2 square. Now multiplied by this 4, you take it up, so it will become 4 to the power 4 into this will become 1 by 3 to the power 4. ये इसका रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो ये पावर पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा इनटू 3 by 7 की पावर 1. So this will become 3 by 7 to the power 1. Now this is 2 power, this is 1 power. Both have to multiply, so this will become 3 to the power 3 into 4 to the power 4 to the power 4 को हम 2 स्क्वायर की पावर 4 अगेन डाउन 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 3 by 4. बीच में फोन आ गया था तो थोड़ी बात करने में लग गई आप, तो उसमें चलिए कितना होता है
32 से
हो गया. चलो ये सब 3 by 4 into 7. So this will become 3 by 3 into 2 to the power 8 upon 2 square into 3 by 4 into 7. So this part you take it down and this you take it to 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 upon 2 to the 2 square. So 3 you take down, so it will become 4 minus 3 into 7. So 8 2 to the power 6 upon 3 into 7. So this will 2 to the power 6 means 2 to the 4 to the 8, 16, 32, 64. This will become 64 upon 21. This will be the answer of this question. Remaining some more questions are there that we will see in the next class. Thank you all.